Imagine taking just a small cutting from a plant you already own and turning it into a brand new plant. It feels like plant magic, but it's actually super easy. Today, I'll walk you through 10 plants that are some of the easiest to propagate using cuttings. If you're ready to multiply your greenery without spending extra money, let's get started. 1. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Pothos is probably the most famous plant when it comes to cuttings. Just take a stem cutting right below a node, remove the lower leaves, and place it in a glass of water. In about a week, you'll start to see roots forming. Once the roots grow a couple of inches, you can move it to soil. It's that simple. That's why many plant lovers call Pothos the ultimate beginner propagator too. Coleus. Coleus plants are loved for their bright and colorful leaves, and the best part is, they root extremely fast. Take a stem cutting, pinch off the bottom leaves, and place it in water. Within a few days, little roots will start to appear. Transfer it into soil, and you'll have a fresh, bushy plant to brighten up your space. They're so easy that once you start, you might end up with Coleus all around your garden. 3. Tradescantia, Wandering Jew. Tradescantia is one of the most rewarding plants to propagate. All you need is a short cutting with a few nodes. Place it in water or directly in soil, and it will root quickly. This plant grows fast, so within weeks you'll notice fuller, trailing vines. It's perfect for hanging baskets or if you want a lush green cascade in your room. 4. Snake plant Sansevieria. Snake plants are tougher and slower to propagate, but they're worth it. You can cut a leaf into smaller sections, let the edges dry for a day, and then place them in soil. Over time, new shoots will grow from those cuttings. It may take months, but the result is a brand new snake plant that's just as hardy and air purifying as the parent. 5. English ivy, Hedera helix. English ivy is another plant that loves to grow from cuttings. Take a piece of vine with a few nodes, remove the bottom leaves, and set it in water. Roots usually appear within a week or two. Once planted in soil, ivy takes off quickly, giving you a fresh set of trailing vines to decorate your shelves, walls, or even balcony. 6. Geranium. Geraniums are garden classics, and propagating them is simple. Snip a healthy stem just below a node, remove the lower leaves, and place it directly in soil. They root fast and reward you with colorful flowers. If you love filling outdoor pots with bright blooms, geranium cuttings are a fantastic way to expand your collection without buying new plants. 7. Christmas cactus, Schlumbergera. Christmas cactus may look delicate, but propagating it is very easy. Gently twist off a segment with 2 or 3 leaf sections, let it dry for a day, and then plant it in well-draining soil. With a bit of moisture and patience, it will root and grow into another plant that will eventually produce those stunning holiday blooms. 8. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. ZZ plants are slow growers, but yes, you can propagate them from cuttings. You can take a stem cutting and place it in soil, or even try rooting a single leaf. It does take longer compared to other plants, sometimes several months, but the patience pays off with a hardy new plant that can survive almost anywhere in your home. 9. Philodendron. Philodendrons are just as easy as pothos when it comes to propagation. Cut a stem just below a node, remove any leaves that might sit in water, and place it in a jar. Within days, roots will start to appear. Once the roots are a couple of inches long, you can pot it up. They grow fast, so it won't be long before you have a lush new plant. 10. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are famous for their little spiderets that hang off the main plant. You can cut one of those plantlets, place it in water or soil, and it will root quickly. In no time, you'll have a brand new spider plant growing strong. It's one of the easiest plants to share with friends and family. And there you have it, 10 plants that you can easily propagate with just a cutting. It's a fun, affordable way to expand your plant family. Which of these plants do you think you'll try first? If you have any questions about propagation, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer.